What up, folks? This is Sharp Knife, and welcome back to Spyro: A Hero's Tale. In the previous episode, we were finally able to break down that strong door with another supercharged gadget. We found 2 more dark gems, found some more dragon eggs and light gems, and after destroying all the dark gems, we were able to fight the dragon elder, Red. And after defeating him, we got the Ice Breath ability. We also backtracked to Lost Cities, to the Sunken Ruins and Cloudy Domain, to find more eggs and light gems. We're still missing a few in Frostbite Village, because we need to find 95 gems in order to open the door. But I'm sure we'll find them once we have all the light gems. By the way, I found the blue star dragon egg on top of the where we took the elevator ride. I don't know how I missed that. I guess I just didn't even see it. Alright, so now we opened up another realm. So let's go on ahead and move on to the Volcanic Isle. Red doesn't give up so easily. And there he is. Looks like he's flying to that volcano.
Spyro, I've got an idea where Red might be. I believe he has a secret underground lair somewhere on this realm. I'm going there in a while with my new gadget. Yes, I, being a mole, will dig my way down to Red's lair. Meanwhile, see if you can find a way into the volcano.
Really? A device? You? Digging? That's not really an invention, you know, Professor. Of course you're a mole. You can dig. Anyway, welcome to Stormy Beach. We need to find 1 dark gem, 2 dragon eggs, and 2 light gems. Looks like Moneybags has opened up a new shop. We'll go see him in a moment. Oh yeah, and with the Ice Breath ability, you don't have to use your Lightning Breath to take out those bear traps. Of course, you're still gonna have to use your Lightning Breath to take out those metal chests. Let's look around and see what we can find. We need to go to this path, but let's explore here first. I don't think there's any way we can get up there, even with the double jump. And Spyro can't grab onto that ledge. No gems up here. I don't see any dragon eggs or light gems up there either. Let's go ahead and take out these enemies. Yep, like I said, with the Ice Breath ability, you can freeze them and charge them. Oh, also, when they have armor, you don't have to worry about charging them. Yep, the Ice Breath takes care of them. You also don't have to destroy the shields with your charge either. Okay, I don't know how that Gnorc came here after I froze the other one. But, doesn't matter. There he is. We found 2 lock chests. Alright, first things first. There we go. Alright, let's open this locked chest. We found some gems. Oh yeah, that reminds me. With the ice ammo. Let me see. There it is. The ice missile. You press R1, it fires like a homing missile. I'll show you that when I find more enemies. Only gems. Okay then. Let's light this rocket. Oh wait, there's a light gem. Let's grab it. Light gem acquired. Now let's light up the rocket. It's a shame your firebombs don't break these strong chests. Or doors. I don't think your ice missiles can break through strong items either. It'd be really cool if they did. I don't think there's anything underwater, but it never hurts to explore. I don't think we can get anything on top, so I think that's everything. That's pretty much everything. Alright, let's keep going. We're gonna need some butterflies. Oh hey, there's an egg thief! Let's chase that egg thief. Oh, there we go. This egg thief is not really that fast. It's kind of slow, too. I guess maybe he's not fast enough to run away from dragons. Looks like that's the last egg thief. Well, in here. There's probably gonna be more thieves around it. We're gonna need a rocket to break that strong chest.
Come inside, Spyro, and bring your money. It may seem like the end of the world, but I still have to make a living, yes?
That makes sense, I guess.
Ah, there you are, my favorite one.
And I bought all the magazines.
Top quality merchandise.
Might as well take a few ball lightnings. Let's see if we can find more dragon eggs and light gems. Oh hey, a walrus! Oh, let's see what's inside that chest. Gems, of course. Well, it never hurts to have too much money. Let's talk to this walrus right there.
Oh no! Gnorcs are storming the beach! You have to stop them. There's a reward in it for you. Will you help defend the realm?
Let's do it for a dragon egg. Alright, for this challenge, you're just gonna have to take out the Gnorcs. Yeah, I don't know why these Gnorcs just don't block the cannons with their shield. I guess maybe the cannonballs are too big and too strong for them to block. Ah, darn it. This isn't going to be easy. Well, it technically is going to be easy. But there are a lot of Gnorcs here. There's not a lot of time to take all of them out. But no matter. That's finished. Alright, now it's time for the light gem.
Not bad. Could have done better myself. However, it seems there are if you're successful again, I will reward you with a light gem.
Alright, 75 Gnorcs. Let's do it. There's going to be a lot of them. Ah, no point in getting that tiny Gnorc. Oh, darn it, and I just let that one through. Yeah, the first wave, they are slow learners. But now in the light gem, they're fast learners. It's not easy to take all of them at once when they're coming from both directions. But so far, this light gem challenge is not really that hard. It's actually pretty easy, too. Alright, well, that's done. And I'm guessing that's all the reward there is. So, you can always come back and play this game anytime you want.
Good show. Almost as good as me. I'm sure they will be back. You can defend the realm anytime you like. But I have no reward. This will just be for practice.
Alright, looks like we're done here. We found all the dragon eggs and all the light gems. Now we just need to find that dark gem. Oh, there's some money. Okay, I don't know how they're floating on top of the water. But it doesn't matter. I think that's all of them. If I'm not mistaken. Alright. Let's take another path. This way. Getting to the other side is going to be a little challenging. I should know because I've done this before. And then it's that way. But let's see what's on the other side first. Because we got some moving platforms here. Well, there's a lot of gems. Haha, that was too good. You just gotta time your double jump just right. Otherwise, you're gonna have to try this again. Let's see if I can try standing on here. That works. Or I could just use that platform. Oh, hold on. There's some dark shards here. Let's take them out. Alright, that's all the dark shards. Alright, let's try this again. Yep, perfect. This is definitely where we need to go. I forgot to get another lockpick. Oh well, I'm sure we'll be fine. Yeah, the ice breath ability is really cool. And this will be your new best friend. Because with it, you don't have to worry about charging enemies when they have armor or shields. I don't know why the small Gnorcs don't have any armor. Maybe it's just too heavy for them. No idea. Okay, took out that enemy. Uh-oh. Oh, that was too close. I'm surprised the ball lightnings work on these guys. I thought with their outfits they would become, well, vulnerable. But I guess not. I'm surprised you can get up there. Not sure which path to take. Let's explore this cave. Well, I might as well just use it anyway. Oh! Should have seen that coming. Yeah, lava can damage you very well. Ah, there's a dark gem. But let's get that locked chest first. Well, actually, since I'm getting that locked chest, I'm gonna have to start cutting this out and get that lockpick. 2 of them, actually. I'll see where I left off. I'm back. I also found a rocket in the beach. I did not even see that. Well, I got those strong chests full of gems, and I got more lockpicks. So let's go ahead and open that locked chest right there. After I land on these spinning poles. Alright, here goes nothing. Perfect. Oh, these dumb Gnorcs. I really hate when they do that. Well, time to give them a little shock. I'm not going to be able to make that jump with the, in the water. There we go. Alright, now let's get that locked chest. Of course, there's going to be gems. Oh well, we're done with that spot. Let's go ahead and destroy that dark gem. Here goes nothing. Alright, looks like it opened up its mouth. Inside the volcano. Let's go see what's inside, and then we'll end the video. Looks like we arrived at Molten Mount. This might be a good time to end the video. Just want to take out that Firebird before we, well, doesn't really matter. Alright, that's going to do it for this episode. So next time, we're going to explore Molten Mount. Find some more dragon eggs and light gems. And more dark gems to destroy. Alright, thank you all for watching. Shark Knife is going to sign off for now. See you next time.